beginning today at noon following morning concert.
This is a test of the live audio broadcast segment of the Hawaii State Alert and Warning System. This test message is being broadcast simultaneously over all radio and television stations in coordination with the monthly test of the Outdoor Warning Siren System for Public Safety. During this test, all warning sirens sound a steady 1-minute attention alert signal. If you hear this tone in circumstances other than a test, follow emergency information and instructions provided by official government channels. This may be in the form of a cellular wireless emergency alert, local radio or television station broadcast. Broadcasters in Hawaii voluntarily make their facilities available in times of emergency. We are testing the equipment connecting the stations to the emergency alert system. This, along with cellular wireless emergency alerts, are managed by FEMA's Integrated Public Alert and Warning System. During an emergency, please pay close attention to official radio and television broadcasts for instructions from emergency management authorities. Do not tie up vital communications by making non-emergency telephone or cellular calls. If you need emergency assistance, dial 911. Emergency preparedness information is found near the front of your telephone directory. Hawaii Emergency Management Agency recommends residents prepare an emergency kit of a minimum of 14 days of food, water, and medical and other essential supplies. Always be prepared. Sent from the Hawaii Emergency Management Agency. This concludes the test of the live audio broadcast segment of Hawaii's statewide alert and warning system. We return you now to the regular station programming.
Support for Morning Concert comes.
This is a coordinated test of the emergency alert system for broadcast stations in Hawaii. The regular monthly test of the live audio broadcast segment and all-hazard outdoor warning siren system for public safety will be conducted today at 11:45 a.m. from emergency management authorities. Hawaii's warning sirens are used to alert the public to any emergency that may pose a threat to life or property. The sound of the sirens is to alert residents to turn on a radio or television for information and instruction for an impending emergency. Instruction may also be provided by a cellular wireless emergency alert. Hawaii Emergency Management Agency recommends residents prepare an emergency kit of a minimum of 14 days of food, water, medical, and other essential supplies. Always be prepared. Sent from the Hawaii Emergency Management Agency. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system. We now return you to the regular station programming.